Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all about active wear and gym wear hauls. So as we all know, a good outfit always motivates you for doing a good and intense workout. So I have also purchased a gym wear from the premium range, and that is Adidas, Superdry, Puma and Reebok. So I'm gonna share my experience, my overall shopping experience, and in this video I will show you the recent purchase from the shoes range that I have purchased from Adidas and Red Tape. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, here are the shoes that I have purchased from Ajio, and this is from the range Adidas and this is from the range Red Tape. So I will be showing these shoes later on. So firstly, let's come on to the clothing section. So here are the clothing that I have purchased from Ajio, and let me show you one by one. Before showing you the products, I want to let you know that I have bought these products in the mid of May. So obviously I will be not revealing the offer prices as I don't remember that, but let me tell you that I have got some offers on some of the products like 20% or 30%. So this is about the prices. And as these products are already a high-end and premium brand, so you already know the prices of the product. So I will be showing you the original price in this video. So without any ado, let's get started. Before showing you the premium range, let me show you quickly a affordable range that I have shopped from Ajio. So I have bought two tights from Ajio from the range Team Spirit and Perform Max. So these are the two tights that I have purchased. So let me show you quickly. So this is from the brand Perform Max, and you can see this is a fast dry material. So I really love the stretch of this tights, and I have tried this in the shorts, so you can check on my channel. So this is basically nowadays very trendy. This is in the style ripped form, which I love the most. And talking about these are seamless, so it doesn't have any pockets. You can see the color. This is really a cool shade. Like this is basically a brick red, you can say. So I really love the color of this leggings, and you can say tights. So this is in the size S I have bought, and this is really cool. So let's see the next one. So next I have this from the range Team Spirit. So you can see the logo over here, and this is also in the size S, and this is also seamless. So what I love the most about this tights, the dual tone, which I love the most. So that's why I purchased this. And this is also a seamless, so it doesn't have any pockets in this tights. So I really love the design of this tights and really love the feel. This is really a comfortable and breathable material. So next I have purchased this sports bra. This is from the range Amante, and you can see the back detailing. This is basically tank style, and you can see the mesh over here. It is for the breathable look and breathable style, breathable feel. And this sports bra basically hits very well because it has padding inside it, and which gives you a comfortable fit, and while doing workout you will feel very comfortable and safe, and you love the feel of this sports bra. Material is really soft and comfortable, and you can see the logo over here. Apart from this, I have also purchased the sports bra that I am wearing right now. So this is also really cool, and I really love the color of this sports bra basically, and it also has padding inside it, and you can see the detailing and the feel of this sports bra. It has adjustable strap over here, which gives you a comfortable fit and which gives you a breathable fit while doing workouts. So this is about it, and this is also from the brand Team Spray. Is moving towards the premium range. So let me show you the clothing from the range very high-end brand Reebok. So Reebok is basically an American brand that is founded in 1895, and This is really famous for its entire range of clothing, shoes, and accessories. So I have bought this one in the black and white color. So basically, all the premium range I have bought, that I bought in the black and white color only, because that looks very classy and that gives a signature style. Also, this is a ultimate flex also in the gym. So I have also bought in the black and white color. I really love the all the brands in this color only, so I bought this one. So let's talk about this sports bra basically. So this is from the brand Reebok, and you can see the size over here. This I have bought in the size M, and you can see the material. This is really breathable and comfortable material. I have wore this set one time, and you can see the tag over here. So basically this bra cost something around 13.99. So this is about its pricing, and you can see the here elastic for the comfortable fit, and you can see the, that is very main thing, you can see the brand logo on the top of the sports bra, which I really love the very much, and I really loved it. This is the logo. And let's see its tights. Basically this is a set, so you can see the tights how it comes. So talking about the material, it's very comfortable material, and you can see the brand tag over here. So this I have bought in the size S, and this is how it comes. So you can see the big and bold Reebok logo over here on the legs, so it gives a very premium vibes, and I really love the comfortable fit and breathable material of this tights. This is really a cool color, and I really loved it. And you can also see on the screen how this set looks on me, and let's see the next one. So next I have bought this from the range Puma. So talking about the brand, so this is basically a German multinational brand that builds a very high-end products and also famous for its performance. And this is a very high-end brand, basically famous, and that really builds your focus with this premium logo. So let's see what I have bought. So here is the second one, and this is basically also in a black and white color. So you can see the logo over here, it looks very cool, and you can see the brand name on the waistline that I really love the most. So let's talk about this sports bra basically. So I really love the sports bra style in the tank style. So this is also that, and you can see the brand logo over here on the top of the sports bra, which I really love the most, and all the detailings like brand name. And one thing which I love the most about this sports bra is basically it has padding inside it, which makes it very comfortable while doing workout and gives the maximum support. So you can see the logo over here, you can see the brand tag over here. So this sports bra basically costs something about 2799. It also has this one moisture management technology and technical fabrics wick moisture away from the skin to help keep you dry and comfortable. So this is basically a material that will keep you dry and comfortable while doing workout. So the tights from the range Puma, and here it is, and this is very comfortable material, and I really love the feel of this tights. Basically this is a dry cell technology. That means it has moisture management technology that I have shown you earlier in the sports bra also. So it also has that technology that keeps you dry while doing your intense workout. And I really love one thing about this tight. So it has pockets besides the thighs area, so you can keep your phone or you can keep some money over in the pocket. So both side it has pockets, so I really like that. And you can see the logo over here. So here is the logo. So talking about the price of this tights. So here is the price tag. So it cost for rupees 2299. So really a cool shade, and I really love the premium logo over here. That looks very pretty and gives the premium vibes. So you can see on the screen how this Puma set looks on me, and you can share your experience on a comment section how it looks on me and which set you like the most amongst all the sets. So let's move on to the next one. So guys, next brand needs no introduction. Basically, this is itself its logo itself is a signature style, and this is also a German brand which was founded in 1949, and it's very famous for its sportswear, gym wear, active wear, and gives a athlete look and sports style. So let's see the look how these sports bra and this tights looks. So basically Adidas is very famous for its three stripe logo and design. So let's see the look how this looks. So let me open this. Firstly we will see the sports bra basically. So this is really my favorite and one of my favorite style. It has crisscross back that gives you a very premium and classy look, and you can also wear this sports bra basically during your back days, back and biceps day basically. So I really love the detailing. This is three stripe detailing that is given on the sides of sports bra. I really loved it, and you can see the logo over here. So this is really gives a premium vibes, and here is a keyhole given for the style which I love the most, and you can see the detailing over here. So it looks very premium and classy. And talking about the material, so material feels very light, and this looks like very breathable material. So talking about the one thing which I don't like about this sports bra, it don't have any pad inside it. So I will be keeping the pad inside it while wearing it obviously. So this is how it looks, and I really love the color and design and feel of this sports bra. So you can see the tag over here. This is from the brand Adidas, and you can see the price over here. So it costs for rupees 1999. So this is the price tag. So let's see the tights which I have bought with this one. This is sports bra. So basically this is a shorts in the style shorts form, and you can see the style which is famous for its brand. This is a three stripe style which I love the most, and you can see the brand logo over here. It looks very premium and classy and gives a signature style, and here is the logo you can see. And talking about the material quality, it's very comfortable and very breathable material. So really looks like premium material it is. And while doing workouts you always choose the clothing and gym wear, active wear, which is very comfortable and breathable while doing workouts. So this is my suggestion to you guys, and this is the shorts. It looks very premium and classy. So you can see on the screen how this set looks on me, and you can share your experience on a comment section. So this is the shorts basically, and you can see the price tag over here. It costs for rupees 2499, and this is about its pricing. So let's move on to the next one. So next active wear is from the very high-end brand Superdry. So Superdry is basically a British brand that was founded in 2023, and these outfits, these entire range is mostly liked by the celebrities, and this is also famous for its high-end quality and signature style basically. So Here is the sports bra from the range Superdry, and I really like the design and logo over here, that is on the back it is given, not on the front side. So this is how it looks. This is basically a tank style. So I bought all the sports bra and tights and shorts separately basically, and I basically created a set of all the brands. So this is how it looks. You can see the colors. So basically here is the price tag given. So it cost for rupees 2599, and here is the logo. It gives a very premium vibes. And talking about the material, so material feels very comfortable and very soft, and it also has one cons which I don't like, that is I like the sports bra that has padding inside the bra. So this is missing in this sports bra, like it has no padding inside it. So this is the cons about this, but I really like the design and feel of this sports bra, and I will be pair it with the tights basically from the same brand Superdry. So let's see the next one, that is the tights from the range Superdry. So here is the tights from the range Superdry. This is really looks very cool, and I really love the design and detailing of this tights. So here it is. One thing which I really love the most about this tights, why I have purchased this, due to the waistline detailing and logo and brand tag on the waistline, which gives it a signature style. And I really love the detailing and feel of this tights and color of this tights. This looks very premium and classy, and the materials feels like very soft and comfortable. I really loved it. And you can see the tag over here. Here is the tag of this tights, and you can see the price tag over here. So it cost for rupees 3999. So this is really a very high-end tights which I love the most, and this is from the very premium brand. Superdry is itself a very known brand and liked by the celebrities very much. And while doing workouts, it feels very comfortable when you are wearing a good outfit that feels good, and you can breathe in and breathe out while doing workout very carefully and very safely. So this is about the tights, and I really loved it. So you can see on the screen how this set from the range Superdry looks on me. Let's move on to the sports wear and shoes wear I have bought from the range Adidas and Red Tape. So let's move on to that. So guys, here is the shoes from the range Adidas, and you can see the box itself gives a premium vibes. And let's open it and let's see the product what I have bought in this box. So here is my premium shoes from the range Adidas, and you can see the color, beautiful color that I have bought. So let's see the premium shoes from the range Adidas, and this is really a comfortable shoes and style that looks very cool and classy. And I really love the sole of this shoes, and you can see the three stripe, that is a signature style of Adidas. And I really love the laces style. And let's see the shoes. It looks like this is really comfortable, and you can see here this is basically ortholite technology. So that is very comfortable while running and while doing workouts. So you can see the size, here is the size given. And which I like the most about this shoes, that is logo is given on the back of the shoes and on the front here and on the toe. So this is the most liked shoes by me, and I really love the feel of this shoes. This is really lightweight, very lightweight. And talking about the shoes and sportswear, when you're choosing the shoes, always choose the shoes that is comfortable and breathable to wear. So I really like the design of the shoes. This is really comfortable, and you can see here the tag is given. So basically talking about the price of this shoes, so basically this shoes cost around 5,999. These shoes have cloud form effect, and it has cloud form sole, which I like the most, which makes it very comfortable while wearing, and you can do your workouts without any hassle. So this is really a good footwear. This is the pretty shoes. So you can see on the screen how this shoes looks on me, and you can share your experience. I really fall in love with these shoes when I saw this on the website. So this is about my overall experience of purchase from the range Adidas. So let's see the next one. So next shoes that I have purchased from the range Red Tape. So here it is. Let's open this. So you can firstly see the box quickly. So box itself looks very colorful and very eye catchy. So talking about the price of this shoes, this cost for rupees 7,999. So obviously I got some offer on this. So let's see the shoes, how it looks, and here is the shoes from the range Red Tape. So you can see, I will show you one by one. So here is the pretty shoes that I have bought, and here is the, you can see the design, and you can see the color of the shoes that gives very calm and soothing vibes. So this is very cute and looks very pretty and very comfortable. Generally the shoes which I like the most are from the brand Skechers, Puma, Reebok and Red Tape obviously. So this is basically the brand tag is given here, and you can see the logo. So basically this is a very affordable range, and if you want to style these shoes with the black outfit, so it will goes very well. And when you want some funky vibes, then you can wear this one. So this is really a very vibrant color, and this shoes gives you a very soothing effect and very calming effect. So both the shoes I like the most, and you can see on the screen how it looks on me, and you can comment down which one you like the most. Guys, this is it for today's video about gym wear, active wear and sports wear. So I hope you like this video and found this video really helpful. So some of the brands which I can recommend you are from the range Performax, Team Spirit, Clovia, Decathlon, Cult. And talking about the very high-end brand, you can go for Puma, Reebok and Adidas and Superdry obviously. So these are the brands which I like the most. So you can also choose your outfits from these brands. So talking about the fitness, so fitness is nowadays really a very prime thing that everyone should look after it and should work on it. So really talking about the pain, so pain is generally a temporary thing, but the pride is forever. So with this quote, I am gonna end this video, and I will be see you soon in the next video very soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay rocking, keep loving, keep supporting. Bye bye, love you all.